Hi, hello viewers. Welcome back to Chef's Dikshit Kitchen. Today I am going to show how to prepare coriander chicken curry in simple way. Let's see the ingredients. These are the ingredients. I have taken whole garam masala, finely chopped green chilies, finely chopped onions, red chili powder, salt, garam masala, coriander, curd, ginger garlic paste, kasuri methi, turmeric, coriander paste. For this coriander paste I have taken 6 bunches of coriander and 5 numbers of green chilies and I have pasted. And chicken. Let's see the process. First I am going to marinate this chicken. Add turmeric, add salt, add ginger garlic paste, and mix it properly. It should coat to all the pieces. Like this it should be. It's done. Now I'm going to keep rest for half an hour. Let's see the next process. First switch it on stove on slow flame. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Some ghee. Now add whole garam masala. Now add finely chopped onions and saute it till it gets golden brown. Add pinch of salt. It became nice golden color. Now we are going to add green chilies. Mix it. And add marinated chicken. Mix it properly. Keep lid. The water will release. See, the water was released from chicken. Keep more 5 minutes. Lid. Now add some red chili powder. And mix it properly. Add coriander leaf paste. Your nice mix. See how it's looking green. Keep lid on it for 5 minutes. Do not waste this coriander leaf paste. Add some water and add into gravy. Add salt. See, the oil was released. I am going to add curd. Keep lid on slow flame. See how it's looking. The oil released, the gravy was looking nice. Now I'm going to add some coriander powder. Garam masala powder. Your nice mix. Keep lid. Top on lid. I am going to add some kasuri methi for final touch. Give nice flavor. Crush it. Now add into gravy the kasuri methi. A nice mix. Coriander chicken curry was done. Some more final touch I am going to give. Let's see what I am going to do. I am making garlic and dry red chilies tadka. Add some oil, add garlic and dry red chilies and saute it. It should become light golden color. Give nice flavor to coriander chicken curry. See, it's done. Nice aroma is coming for me. See, I have added half of the tadka into chicken. Now I am going to do plating. For this coriander chicken, we can prepare dry or wet. Today I have prepared some semi-gravy type. Finally, coriander chicken was done. Have garnished with garlic, dry red chilies, tadka and butter. For these accompaniments, Indian breads and flavored rice. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. For recipe I am going to share on description.